Hello viewers, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we are going to discuss about sum of two numbers and product of two numbers using Python program. So without wasting the time, let's start with the program. So this is the question, or you can see this is the program we are going to write, that take input of two numbers and find the product and sum of them. Okay, so let's take two number, that is n1 and n2. These two are identifier, or these two are variables that we are taking. So here I am writing input int input. Because of we are taking integer numbers, that is whole numbers, that's why I have written integer, that is int. Enter first number, enter second number. Now whenever we want to do the sum, we are taking another variable and using the plus sign we are adding two numbers, that is n1 and n2. Next we are going to print this. No need to write result, I am writing sum of given two numbers is, so this is sum of given two numbers is comma s. So here what we are doing, let's elaborate the program over here. Here what we are doing, we are storing the sum of n1 and n2 into s. Okay, and we are printing the s. So let's run the code here. In the previous video we have seen that this is the run button, and this is, if we press this one, this will run our code inside the rectangular box or inside the cell. So for enter first number, so let me give 13 and 5. So what is the result of 13 plus 5? So 13 plus 5, it will be 18. See, the result is coming 18, right? So this is how we will do the sum of two numbers. Now what is the product? Product means multiplication. For multiplication we were using the symbol asterisk. This is called asterisk. This is the star symbol or asterisk symbol. So in computer programming we are using this asterisk symbol for multiplication. So here we will write a print statement, product of two number is, okay, let me write this one and not write the p over here. P is a variable where we are storing in P we are storing the result of N1 and N2. So this will be smaller. Okay, so this is how we are doing it. In the P, we are storing the result of N1 and N2. Okay, now let's run the code giving two numbers, that is 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 will be 12, but here you can see product of given two number is only this statement is coming, no result is coming. Why? Because I have not given over here the variable for printing, that is P. P is a variable. If I don't write here comma P, then no result, means the value of P will not be printed, and in the inside P only, in the variable P only, we have stored the value of N1 into N2. So let's run the program again, 5 and 7, and it is coming, the result is coming now. You can see the previous output and the current output, the difference between two output. If you have not seen it before, means in the previous output, just pause the video and just go a little back and see the difference of two codes. Just what I have changed over here, I have given this one comma P. Okay, so that's why the result has been printed. So two arithmetic operator we have seen, plus and asterisk, this is star. Okay, now if I want to do the difference means difference between the two number N1 and N2. So N1 minus N2, if I do this, and then I will print this, difference of given two number is, then writing the variable name diff. Okay, and let me write the division one also, taking a variable name div and doing just N1 slash N2, and this is the division sign, that is slash we are using over here, and here result for division of given two number is, here I have to give the same name where I am storing the result of division, that is div. Inside this div I am storing N1 slash N2. Okay, next is, if I want the quotient, then suppose I am dividing 3, suppose I am dividing 7 by 3, okay, or 5 by 2. So the quotient will be 1 or quotient will be 2, and the remainder will be 1. So for that part, for getting the remainder part, we have to do the modular division, and for the quotient part we will do the modular division. So writing MD, that is N1, this is the modular division sign, that is percentage sign, okay, N2. Okay, now let's run this code only. Let's run this code. Oh. See here, syntax error has came. A good one is that invalid syntax. Why it is coming? Let me elaborate this one. I have not given over here a comma, right? A comma is needed before I am writing a variable name. So if I don't give the comma, it will give a syntax error in the print statement. Okay. So this is the invalid syntax it is giving. Now again running the program. Now see, no error is coming. Okay, now taking number 9 and 4. Okay, so you see all the things is came. 9 plus 3 13. The sum of two given number is 13. Sum of given two number is 13. Product of two number is 36. 9 into 4 36. Difference between two number is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Result of division given here 2.25. Now see the division, when I am using a single slash, it is dividing the number and giving it in a fraction format. Okay, but if I want the quotient and the remainder part separately, that gives the quotient. Okay, see, this will give the quotient, q will give the quotient, and this md will give the remainder part. Okay, now let me print both of this. Give a comma, giving the variable name, that is q, and inside this q only I have stored the quotient, and inside this md I have stored the remainder. Okay, let's take 14 and 3. Okay, so you can see this is the result of the division. This is the result of the division. Okay, the result of the division is 4.66666, like this. But when we are using this, quotient is 4, means what is my numbers are 14 and 3. So the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 2. You see, the remainder is 2. So if I divide if I divide 14 by 3, means if I take 14 and 3 and if I divide it, so 3 fours are 12. So it will give you 4 as a quotient, and 12, 14 minus 12, 2 will be the remainder. Okay, so this is how we are using this operators. This is called floor division. Double slash is, this is floor 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 division operator, and this is called quotient. Okay, sorry, this is called modular division. This percentage sign, this percentage sign is called modular division. operator. Okay, so this is how we will use the arithmetic operators and we find the result in Python. Okay, so for each and every task we are using some different variables and we are storing the result into particular that variable and printing it. Okay, so this is how we are going to use all operators and do this. I hope this video is helpful for you and you have understood the whole concept of operators, different kind of arithmetic operators. We have discussed today about arithmetic operators and not only product and sum. I have shown you how to divide, how to use difference, the minus sign that is, and how to use floor division and modular division. So for today, let's end up over here. In the next class, we will again do some another codings, and till then, keep learning, keep growing, and